Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add effects to Instagram story camera. If you're using Instagram and you want to add effects to your Instagram story cameras, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your Instagram app. Now from here, just scroll through left side to open your story camera. Now on this page, you just have to select filters or effects. So here are different effects. You can easily select which one you want to, so some needs face or some doesn't need any face. So you can easily select any effect, or you can see more options with any of your effects, or you can also browse more effects by using this search option. Just select the search option here and you'll get all of the effects which Instagram updated or released. So you can also select this trending to see some trendings effect or this appearance or aesthetic or a lots of options. So you just have to select which one you want to. And once you have selected, just tap on that and it will be added to your home page or your story camera here. Now you just have to simply select any filter or any effect and just click a photo or a video which you want. So in this way, you can easily add effects to your Instagram story camera. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.